back again to our YouTube channel. This is Ada DJ channel. If you are new, you are so welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Oh yes, so welcome back again to our channel. So guys, I'm here to, without wasting much of our time today, I just want to open a package with us. In this channel we are full of opening package, guys. So guys, anyway, the package we have to open today, we have two packages to open. One, we have toasting machine to open. The package just arrived, and also we have microwave to open. Yeah guys, so this is my former microwave here. You can see it here, that excuse me guys, that it just got broken. If you on it now, it will on, but it's not bringing hot, so I don't know what happened. So we decided to get a new one. Oh yes, so I just want to open the package with us, guys. So the toasting machine we start first. Let's open it together and see what we get here. Oh yes, so wow, see what we have, guys. Wow, 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 wow. This is what we get here. Yes, so a brand new one, guys. I think you also have a manual. You have a manual, guys. The manual we can also use to see every detail and instruction. Oh my god, this is supposed to be inside. I don't know. So this is what we got here. Wow, a solid one, guys. So this is what we have here. Oh my god, our toasting machine is here, guys. Perfect. So this is our toasting machine. So let's go and open our our microwave. Okay. So yes, so see what we have, guys. This is what we got here. Can you see, guys? Yeah, this is our microwave, brand new microwave. Can I bring this? It's so heavy, oh. It's like you have a weight. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. It's a microwave. Wow. This is what we got, guys. Here is our microwave. Can you see it, guys? Wow. Our brand new microwave. Oh my god. Just a white like the old one. Yes. Wow. Can you see the inside, guys? It's really nice. Also, the manner that came with it. This is and the manner have English. You have an English. You have um German language also. You have German language. You have Italian language. Wow. Oh yes, so this is the plate inside. Yeah. This is, and our microwave is ready. Guys, can you see it? It's really nice, huh? It's nice. Oh my god. So here is our package, and the microwave is white. Also the machine, also the toasting machine is also white. Wow, it's really nice, guys. Oh my god. So this is what we have right now to show with us. I say let me bring this so we can open this package together. This is the old one by Deb by my side there, and this is the new one. It's on, but it's not hitting the food we put inside, so we decided to get a new one. And this one is really nice. It's really nice product, guys. So this is what we have to show us today. I hope you guys enjoyed this package that we opened together. If you like this package, give us a thumbs up. Share our video now. Share our microwave video. Mm-hmm. We'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much for opening this package with us, and we are grateful. If you are new, this is Ada DJ YouTube channel. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye bye. Ciao. Cheers, guys.